I'm Tom Milnes. I'm a lecturer for Creative Technologies. Creative Technologies gives students a unique opportunity to start learning about emergent technologies such as virtual reality, data visualization, projection mapping and web and online cultures as well. It gives them an opportunity to enter a new field that is dynamic and is expanding all the time. So the kind of students we'll be looking for are students who have a unique interest in virtual reality, augmented reality, starting to experiment with other forms of digital content creation such as animation, data visualization, some understanding of coding, so they have this balance of understanding of science, technology, but also the important thing is that it's creative, so understanding of how those disciplines can be creative and art-filled. So when students graduate from Creative Technologies, we want them to feel confident that they'll be employed in a number of dynamic and emerging fields that are expanding all the time, such as working within UX development, starting to work with more virtuality content development. So these fields are expanding all the time and the market is looking for new creatives who have these skills. We'll give them the abilities to work in those areas in a way that no other course can. When you join us to study Creative Technologies, you'll have the opportunity to use the amazing facilities such as the Fab Lab, which has these amazing digital resources, as well as animation and computational facilities. There's also access to all the other workshop facilities as well. So students would have the opportunity to learn elements of physical computing, which includes things like Raspberry Pi or Arduino. So they'd learn how to use sensors in interaction design, starting to work with basic elements of robotics in order to create new technologies and ways of interacting with coding and physical objects. We want there to be a collaborative process of creation here, so we're interested in seeing students who are interested in working with animators, artists, coders, starting to work cross-disciplinary in a way that creates new creative technologies and works with emergent and diversive forms of media in ways that employers will be looking for. So we have links to organisations such as Real Ideas organisation, who have just refurbished the Market Hall with their 360-degree dome. So students would have opportunity to show their work at a place like that. So there's a lot of opportunities whilst studying here to be able to get your work seen by the public and to a wider audience. So Creative Technologies is enhanced by its connection with the Studio Lab for Embodied Media, which is a new research lab. It brings together thinkers and equipment and resources in order to enhance people's learning about the new technologies that are becoming available in the world. The world needs creatives now more than ever because technology is increasingly infringing on people's lives, and in order to understand it we need people other than big corporations to control how we're looking at the world through technology. We need creatives to rethink these and bring power back to the people in order to sort of make them freer, and that's why I think Creative Technology is an important course.